When you are done cutting out your giraffe, I hope that you remembered to put your scissors away and you have thrown all your scraps in the recycling bin. If you have an area like this, you can bring your giraffe up to me and I will use a special tool to cut away that part of your giraffe. I know that part is very hard to get at with scissors, so I will use this X-Acto blade, and only I will be using this, but I will use the special tool and I will cut away any parts that you might have drawn that you can't get to with your scissors. Now that you have the giraffe completely cut out, it is time to glue. Now, some of you did a giraffe that has clothing, and some of you did a giraffe that does not. So you're going to choose which giraffe you would like to, well, you have one giraffe, I have two. I need to choose which giraffe I'm going to use. And I think I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to put this one aside and I'm going to use this giraffe. My first job is deciding, where is this giraffe going to go? Is he going to be dancing over here? Maybe he's going to be kind of playing in the puddle, dancing in the puddle. Maybe he's right here, but I don't think I want him covering the monkey, so I think I'm going to put my giraffe dancing right there. So when you're working with glue, remember the orange cap when it's touching the white means that it's closed. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. I'm going to twist the orange cap so it's away from the white. This tells me it's open, and then I'm going to listen for it to breathe. When I hear it breathing, now I know it's time to glue. I'm going to turn my giraffe over, and I'm going to use dot dot, not a lot, baby dots of glue. And I'm going to put baby dots of glue on the back of my giraffe. I don't want a lot because I don't want glue to be leaking out from behind my giraffe, if at all possible. Once I have this down, I think I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to spread this glue so it makes just a fine little film, kind of like a little paste. It's going to make the paper a little bit tacky, and I'm going to spread it out along the edge. So notice I didn't need a lot of glue, but it'll still work. Now I'm going to flip my giraffe over. I'm going to place it where I want it to go, and I'm going to press down. Once your giraffe is on your background paper, you need to make sure that it is nice and glued down. And once that is done, we want to make sure that we turn our paper over. Let's make sure your name is on the back. Can you see my name on the back with pencil? It says Mrs. D right there. And because we glued today, our artwork is going to go on the drying rack. And we're done.